my first time in London. I got one day in London, and I really wanna.
Hi again. This is Daddy Nico sa kanyang pagpapatuloy ng kanyang gala dito sa UK and Europe. Wala na si Balot, so iniwan na tayo ni Balot. Umuwi na siya. Pagod. Thank you, Balot, sa pagkuha ng bag ko. And I'm now about to go to St. Pancras Station. Pero lakad-lakad muna lang tayo. About 40 minutes away from the Trafalgar Square. Few impressions of London. Napakalinis, number 1. Napakaraming tao, number 2. And extra special yung trip na to kasi nga nag-strike yung mga workers ng London Underground train. So most of the time nandun tayo sa bus. And it was a truly special trip kasi nga kita natin yung mga major landmarks ng city na to. Especially yung night lights. It was actually good. Big Ben, I truly enjoyed that. The Tower Bridges as well. And of course, yung dumaan tayo sa main streets ng Westminster City.
A few moments later.
So, mission failed tayo. Pumunta ng British Museum kasi kahit na meron tayong bag na hybrid, actually may limit sila sa weight, which is only 8 kilos. Hindi rin sila nagpapapasok ng wheeled na bag dahil marble tiles daw. So, sobrang kailangan nilang alagaan yung mga pinagnanakaw nila. Na-exhibit. Yun yung controversial dito sa British Museum kasi hindi naman daw national relic talaga yung mga nandyan. Yun yung mga, alam mo na, nung panahon ng colonialism, marami silang mga kinuha sa ibang bansa and basically showcase nila sa buong mundo. So, controversial because probably I'm so political as well, kaya not meant to be inside. But just in case you are gonna go here for the first time, again, kailangan hindi wheeled bag, may weight limit, libre naman yung entrance, libre, and it's only 20 minutes away from the international train station ng King's Cross or St. Pancras. Yeah, London, you keep on surprising me. Another travel tip. Galing ko lang sa National Library or no, British Library, I should say, National Library. Kasi malapit lang siya actually sa international train station. And in this case, wala kasi akong power bank, naiwan ko. And yeah, actually, napakagandang library. Nag-work tayo saglit and nag-charge. And one thing too, is napakasiksikan sa loob ng St. Pancras. So wala siyang masyadong upuan kapag alis sa Eurostar kung wala ka namang lounge access. And I think you better go around sa library kung umaga, kung bukas naman siya, kung ka na lang tumambay. Kasi literally, cross the road lang naman yung international station. So hopefully that helps.